Thumb Spica application. For indications where immobilization of the wrist joint and thumb joint are required, for example, scaphoid fractures, follow physician's instructions on the proper positioning of the limb. A common position is with the thumb and index finger opposing, wrist in slight dorsal flexion, and neutral with regards to ulnar and radial deviation. Select a stockinette that will not be restrictive at the widest part of the limb. Make sure you use enough stockinette to allow foldbacks at the distal and proximal ends. Make a small cut in the stockinette for the thumb. Now, roll up the stockinette before applying to the limb to lessen pressure while applying. Roll on and remove all wrinkles and creases. Cut a 6-inch length of 1-inch stockinette. Make a 1/2 inch cut at 1/3 of the length. Slide the stockinette over the wrist and apply the cut section over the thumb for protection. Another option is to measure the length to the thumb and make a cut at that length to slide over it. Cut the stockinette at distal thumb for easy foldback. Using 2-inch or 3-inch padding starting at the wrist, go around the thumb twice and through the web space twice, and work toward the elbow, overlapping by 50%. Applying with a slight tension will allow the padding to lie down smoothly and have a snug fit. Additional padding may be required for bony prominences. Be sure that the limb is in proper position before applying the cast tape. Begin by putting on protective gloves before applying the cast tape. Dip 2-inch or 3-inch cast tape in water, squeezing 1 to 3 times. Remove from water and squeeze 1 time to remove excess water. Start wrapping the cast at the wrist and make a cut at the palmar side of the thumb going around the thumb. Then go around the hand and make a cut to go through the web space. Be sure to leave 1/4 to 1/2 inch of cast tape intact at the web space. Going around the thumb and hand may be done twice depending on clinician preference. Continue working toward the elbow, overlapping 50%. Now, fold back the stockinette at proximal end, thumb, and distal end for protection of the skin and creating a soft end. Take a second roll or use the rest of the first roll and dip 2-inch or 3-inch cast tape in water, squeezing 1 to 3 times. Remove from water and squeeze 1 time to remove excess water. Start wrapping the cast at the wrist and make a cut at the palmar side of the thumb going around the thumb. Then go around the hand and make a cut to go through the web space. Continue with 50% overlap toward the elbow and cut. Be sure to leave approximately 1/2 inch of stockinette exposed to leave a soft end. And you are finished.